So the same thing that we used Boadu for 2016, because our national chairman, general secretary, first vice was suspended. So the person we voted for as an organizer immediately, we also added additional responsibility like acting general secretary, and at the same time as a director of election operations, also to addition 3 responsibilities that we give it to him. And you know, when that time people were saying we won't win, we won't do like this, Charlotte said time wasn't easy. Amadou Sile, good luck as an IGP, you know, and Pabla don't call this John Mahama factor, but you know so many things that went into 2016 election.
My God!
Milia! Oh, booming!
One will be bring Nayapa.
Says I saw Thomas, no, almost at home, before. My Boadu!
Oh, dear, you
might
that's what sword.
Oh, Minia!
We know what father for so many years. You can't also hear me. But Mamma, I mean, dear, as I say, Willie. Saladin Company Limited. I want Sassy, I will Ghana have a beer in Sassy. They want to up to Ghana. I want Sassy, I will Jerusalem as a Beafina, Sansuna Akatapo, I will Pokwasi, Sans Otumasi near Dodoa, and I Dentra, a Kaswa, assassin litigation free, University to copy anyone. Then get the one crown and say, Ukuta car. Now they pass us, I'm sure car no one, no one car.
Oh, you don't mean it, then some gas in the Majins. I say,
oh, I don't know them.
Oh, Milia. Oh, many other patch of my comrade, one patch of the patch of my comrade is consultation.
Chema Wontumi ede ne daye so ababeto Ghana fo enumu ewa good evening Ghana show eso na otremu a eye nyame edan nyema bi adi ede kire no yenim se Chema wo yodifo nso ede ka ho a otremu a na chese ye national aba wo babeto nyame yadom a wo chena no eye national executives for MPP party no eyade a obi a wahu na nyame abie so di akire no ese obeye national secretary eye John Boadu na no obi sa say oye unipa na apena se motimi ba ofie bedanti na wo kasa na osi debi na emom no papa na bodwuma onimadwuma no mu ote adwuma na se ono na oboaye onipa ba kwa operate ye 3 in 1 edema party no afi 2016 wotimi eba power yenkotie eye Chema Wontumi ne nsem no emra.
In 2016 the party went to darkness. We had a challenge whereby our national chairman for the first time was suspended, our general secretary was suspended, our first vice was suspended. Then that time, we said, let us look for a person who can fit and have a skillful and anointing way to fill the space that we have shown the record. You know, when you are playing a football, and you show you are good player, you show them the record. Then you have to look and search for somebody who have energy, have intelligence, who have to feel so that the pain cannot be high or you can win. So the same thing that we used Boadu for 2016. Because our national chairman, general secretary, first vice was suspended. So the person we voted for as an organizer immediately, we also added additional responsibility like acting general secretary, and at the same time as a director of election operations, also to addition 3 responsibilities that we give it to him. And you know, when that time people were saying we won't win, we won't do like this, Charlotte said time wasn't easy. Amadou Sile, good luck as an IGP, you know, and Pabla don't call this John Mahama factor, but you know so many things that went into 2016 election. And this man is the person who leads us in national elections, okay, for us to win 2016 elections, you will see John Boadu in the morning in Accra, but in the evening, he's in Kumasi. And then we will start talking, working the plan and stuff. At that time, I mentioned about science and data. Science and data is not only about math. Is you have to work towards that. So John Boadu will be there in the evening. Then in the morning, he will wash himself in my house, clothe himself, and then take plane to Accra. When you come to Accra, you also will see him in Accra office. Something happened. Something drastic happened in 2016. But fortunately, we had favor from God and men for us to win. So, in 2020, because of what he did in 2016 elections, we confirmed him as a general secretary. Now, we are talking about the breaking the eight, isn't it? Mm-hmm. We are talking about the breaking the eight. And all the people who are contesting to say they want to break the eight, who have experienced 2 successful elections as a general secretary.
It's Boadu.
It's Boadu. So therefore, the simplicity, that then we have to support him because he have done it before. Now, before, it was
Utie eya chairman semu a working here na chese John Boadu de wa select ne deda eya woman organizer obonidin ewo mu ni ohwe nso a obekọ efo secretary ni ade nyina wo bonidin ewo mu chese edini de bebrebe na nso ye bisa se de benti na chairman o endorse eya John Boadu anase susu ampa se da yeso na ohun yi anase nyame na eyi de kire no ono akoso kaso no hasa de ne brofo de enye enti oka brofo gu ho no mo who say yes, brofo no ya puto bi na ya hwe gu mu nanso no ono ne dia wotimi ye ne so obeya chairman ba ne be koso abro so de wontimi enye nti on try but obi ti say John Boadu de ya de obetimi aye enema de aboa MPP party no eno nti no ko benya anka won a wo ba beto aba no de wo momoden ase wo beyi eye John Boadu nanso no nyame yi a che ne say John Boadu ne de wa select no kra de dada obi bie ni hono ma obetimi ene no a contest na eye Ghana fo kan nsembi SM John Boadu nso entimi enya adwuma no enti won sisem esanse nipa bebre wo hono ma wose wosesa won e free eye akonwa no so na bi foforo ba betena so na eye breaking the 8 no o metimi e breaking yi na se wo mankrofo bi mo e di minimum aba party no mo enu nti na ne kuradie enkoso e wo party no mo a enei ama obia e campaign policy a wo kan nyina e yesa no kuradie truthful unity and obia eka ho asem contestants a omo gina ni ato omo so ababa national executives no eno emebi mu hu ni se ekame ya se party no ni nyina so na anasa ne fapem no ehihim eno ti e wo se wo ye homework e wo hono mo ama niema ejina so yie nyame ya dom a eye ochina election no e ba so e wo man Ghana mu eye stadium ebi mu astarte kura ababa bedu ebi nso nam kwan so e ba eye chama Wontumi nsem a wode tu dwai nyame anu wochena ye behu se ebe mu anase amemu na vision na nyame ehi kire na sensei yesi mama mfo nhyenkomo no astarte hyenkomi ebe adwuma anase enye adwuma ye de ni nyina ebe ba besom like na share medin any empress an amema nyina ketu ba kope ye be hia bio
Influence Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and you too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, a church for our quadruple award this year, any air conditioned room there, the media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there. And then a location of a coffee pipe junction. For number ne was no one casa free. No more beyond that one. I'm moving casa me from one casa free.